Hi friends, my name is Manoj. If you are a fan of Money Heist, then good news for you. There is a replica story which happened exactly like Money Heist in Tamil Nadu, and this is actually even more bigger than Money Heist if you ask me. A duplicate bank has been started by a 19-year-old guy in Tamil Nadu. So in this video, we'll see the story of the money heist in Tamil Nadu, that Tamil Nadu money heist story. And before watching the video, in case if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. One 19-year-old guy whose name is Babu and who is the son of ex-SBI former employees of SBI. Both his father and mother are SBI employees, and he is the son. This culprit is the son of those two SBI employees. What he used to do is he used to go to that SBI bank often, and his father, this person's Babu, the 19-year-old guy, his father died 10 years ago. And this guy applied for the same job in SBI bank, and that process took so long, and the bank actually rejected this guy's application for his father's job. This guy, what he reacted, how he reacted to that rejection of his application is, he thought, who are you to give me a job? I will start my own bank. So he started planning for starting his own bank and his own SBI bank, and he started for searching for people who are like-minded, and somehow he was able to find like-minded persons, and their names are A. Kumar and M. Manikam. So A. Kumar and M. Manikam, he found two like-minded persons, and one person is having a printing press. One person out of these two are having printing press, and the other person is handling rubber stamps, so stamping. So you think, you observe very carefully, he found one person who is having a printing press and one person who has a rubber stamp business. So these three people joined together, and they started buying computers, and they started buying money lockers, and they started printing fake documents with the stamp of SBI bank, and they somehow rented a premises, and they started a bank which is exactly a replica of State Bank of India in a place called Panruti in Kadalur. So they somehow started a bank itself. So what happened? They started in April. This is amid lockdown they started, and they thought nobody will find them because nobody is coming out at all, so we can start a bank now. So they somehow started the bank. What happened was, one customer who is a regular customer of State Bank of India, he went to another bank. He was actually depositing some money in this SBI bank which they started, this fake SBI bank, and he got those receipts. He deposited money and he got those receipts, and he took that receipts and went to another bank and showed it to that bank's manager, and he was generally talking to that bank's manager and told, see, there is a new bank branch started, it seems, do you know anything? So that SBI bank manager, what he did was, he had some doubts in his mind, and he took some of his colleagues and he went to that fake branch which is started by this 19-year-old money heist. So after entering into that SBI bank branch, he was shocked because that fake branch, exactly, it was a Xerox copy of this branch. Actually, it was an exactly replica of the normal State Bank of India, and he was shocked to know, and he started searching for the documents, and everything were fake. So now police had arrested all these three persons, and they were shocked to know that this guy was actually rejected by the State Bank of India for his job application. So to take revenge, he started his own bank itself. And police are investigating this case, and till now no customer was cheated, no customer lost their money. So this guy's intention is only to take revenge and show that he is capable of something. So definitely I think this is I can tell you, this is both positive and negative, both. How it is positive? If you ask me, India has brains. India has brainy guys. If a guy can start a bank branch, he can fake the State Bank of India, a national bank. If he can fake and start an own branch, then you trust me, India has lot of brains and India can grow well. But if they use those brains in a correct manner, this is point number one. And point number two is negative. What negative thing which we can see in this is the movies and the money and the series like Money Heist. I will tell you one problem which is actually happening in India and most of the countries. We are not watching movies or movie series like an entertainment. We are actually making ourselves an actors. We are living those characters. There are many people who are living the characters of heroes. There are many people fighting for heroes, many people fighting for actors. We are actually taking these movies as an emotion of our own life. So this is something which is actually bothering everybody. So one positive is, it's a happy news that India has a lot of talent. India has great talent. It's a happy and positive news. And second thing is, India is actually going in a negative way. The youth is going in a negative way by taking movies in personal, and they are taking movies as an emotion. Let's not take movies as an emotion, and let's feel happy that India has got talent. And thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.